Welcome all to Vectors Class 7. In this we'll discuss about how to subtract one vector from another vector. That means we are going to discuss a vector minus b vector. Now basically we don't have any specific method for a vector minus b vector. We'll do it in the way of a vector plus b vector only. That means if Rm is to find out a vector minus b vector, which can be written as nothing but a vector plus minus of b vector. Minus of b vector means we are adding a vector with negative of b vector. And you know what is negative vector? A vector of same magnitude but in opposite direction. So the physical meaning of this is, suppose Rm is to find out a vector minus a vector, let's say b vector. To find out a vector minus b vector, what we'll do is we'll go for this a vector plus minus of b vector. So this is nothing but negative vector of b vector. So if you are going for a vector plus minus of b vector, we'll get the value of a vector minus b vector. So consider a situation that we are having two vectors, a vector and b vector, and Rm is to find out a vector minus b vector. First we can find out what about the angle between a vector and b vector. Angle between two vectors is angle between them when their tails are connected together. So we are just keeping their tails together to measure the value of angle between them. So let's say angle between them is nothing but theta. So in question they will give the value of magnitude of a, magnitude of b, and angle between the vector, and Rm is to find out a vector minus b vector. So already we discussed that to find out this a vector minus b vector, we'll go for a vector plus minus of b vector. Minus of b vector means same magnitude as that of b but in opposite direction. Now we'll add these two vectors by using our triangle law of vector addition. So according to triangle law of vector addition, if two vectors represents the sides of a triangle taken in the same order, so this is nothing but our a vector and this is minus b vector, and if you are adding this one, so we can say that the third side which is taken in the reverse order means this will be our resultant vector, or we can write that will be equal to a vector minus b vector. Now we know that the angle between a vector and b vector, this was the angle between a vector and actual b vector, which is nothing but theta. So we can take this angle also equal to theta. So from this triangle we can find out what about the value of r. So if you are using that cosine rule, that is r square is equal to nothing but a square plus b square minus 2ab cos theta. We can find out the value of this magnitude of resultant vector, that will be equal to under root of a square plus b square minus 2ab cos theta. So I think you might be remembering the equation for a vector plus b vector. It was a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. Over here it is a square plus b square minus 2ab cos theta. And sometimes we need to find out what about the value of angle made by the resultant vector with respect to a vector. Let's say it is alpha, and resultant vector with respect to that actual b vector. So over here we can find out what about the value of this alpha over here by using that sine rule. We can write this b divided by sine of alpha should be equal to nothing but r divided by sine of theta. So from that we can find out the value of alpha also. So for subtraction, remember that if you are going for r vector which is equal to a vector minus b vector, and angle between a vector and b vector is theta, then the value of this r is equal to, or magnitude of a minus b is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab cos theta. Should remember this equation. Hope so that you understood the subtraction of vectors. If you are having any doubt, or if you'd like to interact with me on live classes, or if you want to write online tests for JEE Mains, Advanced or NEET, or if you want to improve your performance by solving more number of questions, please let me know. And please subscribe this channel, click on the bell icon and share with your friends so that it will help me to reach more students. Thank you.